Hello, I got another new electronic lab. This one from the University of Cambridge. This is the digital recording studio. Just like the previous labs I've had, this one uses a spring and wire technique. So let's crack the lid off. If you can't guess, the box is too big to fit under the camera. As always, you get your experiment manual. You get your electronic project kit. And you get a bunch of wires. And in the case of this one, you get the smell of tobacco because it stinks. Just move everything out the way. Bloody mess here. Half a dozen things on, including mystery item over in the corner there. Hang on, how do I get this to go right? I've knocked my camera off duty here. Excuse the vomit cam. There we go. Nope. Right. Well, this one boasts over 16 experiments even. It has a printed chip, an integrated circuit chip even, based on the RTS 0073 audio chip. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 resistors, 2 LEDs, CDS cell, 2 transistors of unknown origin, a speaker, runs off 3 AA batteries, got 2 buttons, a variable resistor. Did I mention the CDS light cell? It has a microphone, 4 electrolyte capacitors, and 2 ceramic capacitors. Can we see underneath? Yep, I can't really see much under there. But hazard a guess, it's probably just a blob chip. It has an extra transistor and a capacitor, which I think is probably for amplification or something. As I said, the manual's your standard affair with an introduction, notes on use, introduction to the basics. Projects on this are more teaching you the basics on a very basic level. These straight away, there's already 4 experiments on current before we get Morse code signal generator, about conductors, making a dimmer switch, about capacitance, transistors, making basic alarms, another dimmer switch with a photoresistor, reflex tester, delayed action circuits, LED signals, an LED flasher. Can't see it because it's hidden over there, which is the basic multi-vibrator circuit we're so used to. A metronome using the basic vibrator circuit, a monostable vibrator circuit, bistable, a Darlington circuit, Water level detector, delays using resistor capacitors, another water detector, light sensor, a lung capacity tester using a microphone, battery tester, and onto the integrated circuit. Where is it? It says fundamental characteristics of the RTS-003 integrated circuit include 3.3 or 5 volt, uses ADPCM audio, 3-second recording time, built-in controllers for microphones and LEDs. Right, we have a basic sound recorder, another recorder with an LED, press the play button and listen, speed control of playback, voice changer, electronic parrot, increasing microphone sensitivity, increasing recording time, getting the balance between speed and time, more speed, light control time, voice alarm, another 2 voice alarms, electronic bells, electronic cockerel, electronic bat, water alarm with the sound chip, rain sensor with the sound chip, repeated recording, touch triggered recording, a virtual recording button which is a bit like the touch button, delayed playback, semi-automated recording, infinite playback, the speaker is a microphone, and then basics on how components are connected in series and parallel and how their values are worked out, and an index. Well, once this thing stops smelling like tobacco and I finish off my other backlog, I might get around to doing some of these experiments, or I might just get bored and start using it. So it's something to look forward to in the future. Thank you for watching.